Hello and welcome to Team Techno Automobile, my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video we will discuss about the upcoming Maruti Suzuki Alto facelift. Let's start the video. The launch of bookings for Maruti Suzuki's new Alto K10 generation has been announced. Customers can book the hatchback at any Maruti Suzuki Arena dealership or go to the specified website for an amount of 11,000 rupees, according to the company. Additionally, Maruti Suzuki officially hinted at the front profile of the vehicle, which differs greatly from the existing Alto. It has an entirely different appearance from the earlier, discontinued Alto K10 as well. The sleek, somewhat rounded headlamps are positioned at the edge of the bonnet, and the front profile features a black grille with hexagonal mesh. The air inlet at the bottom of the bumper gives it a handmade appearance. The car appears to have steel wheels because they are also visible. Additionally, the most recent image teased one of the colors. The new generation Suzuki Alto's interior has not yet been revealed. It is probably going to have a brand new cabin with additional features and a more contemporary look. A touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, keyless entry, a semi-digital instrument panel, power steering, and dual airbags might be included in the high-end model. A new K10C dual-jet 1.0L 3-cylinder petrol engine with idle start-stop system is anticipated for the next generation Maruti Alto. This engine is able to generate 89 Nm of torque and 67 bhp of horsepower. Additionally, a 796cc, 3-cylinder petrol engine with 47 horsepower and 69 Nm of torque will be included. There will be manual and UNT gearbox options available. The hatchback may possibly be available in CNG form. You can make the car book at nearby dealer or Maruti Suzuki website. Online it's a 3-step process for booking and just need your basic details and location. Please refer the screen for more details. I have given you all the information that is currently available. I hope you enjoy the video. Once the vehicle is on display, we'll cover the complete walk around. Please give my YouTube channel a like and subscribe. Goodbye and I'll talk to you in the next video.